Look, Morphle! You should morph into a floaty shark too, so we can play with our friends. No, wait! Morphle should morph into a real pet shark. Morphle, morph into a real pet shark. A big and scary one. Is Morphle mean now? He looks so mean and scary. No, Morphle is a super friendly shark. Right, Morphle? Yeah. Thank you, Morphle the friendly shark.
People, can I please have your attention? You should never, ever, ever throw garbage on the beach. For example, there's garbage floating in the sea right there. This is bad for all the cute little fishes. Oh no! It's a shark! You all need to hide!
But Mr. Lifeguard, this shark is a friendly shark.
No. I don't believe it. Sharks are never friendly. Help! Help! My poor little jitterbug has been swept out to sea.
Look, Morphle! Jitterbug the dog is in trouble. Somebody has to save it. Morphle, save!
Oh no! That shark wants to eat that little dog.
No, he doesn't. He wants to save the doggy.
Don't be silly, little girl. It's hero time.
Wow!
Whoa. Whoa, Red Shark. The little kids were right. You are a friendly shark.
He is! It's my pet, Morphle. Do you want to take a ride on his back? Stop it! That's mean!
No, we're not gonna stop because we are pirates and we do mean things all the time. Hey, just look at those mean pirates. You know, Morphle, we all know you're a friendly shark now, but those mean pirates don't know you're friendly. Look! Ah! Now, let's help this little fella rebuild his sandcastles.
a toy car!
Hey!
Daddy, play!
Morphle, I have to work on the car.
Daddy, play! Daddy, play!
Morphle, stop it!
Could you please be quiet? I'm trying to mow the lawn, and your laughter is keeping me from my work.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. But I guess you two are right. Sometimes it's good to take a break from work and have some fun.
Morphle! Morph into a real car!
Hey, look! It's another living car.
Yes, it looks just like the other one.
Another living car?
Professor Zong was just here with a living car.
That sounds interesting. Can we go to see the other living car, Daddy?
Of course, but I'll get back to fixing my car.
Hi, Professor Tong.
Hi, Mila and Morphle.
Wow, it's a living car, just like Morphle. That's so cool.
Yes, my team invented this special device. It can zap machines to life. We used it to zap this car, and we have been running a lot of very interesting tests on it. But now, it doesn't want to do the tests anymore. We don't know why.
Car no have fun. Car need fun.
Oh?
Yeah, Morphle is right. Sometimes it's good to take a break from work and have some fun.
Ah.
Fun. I want to play soccer. Are you going to play soccer with us, Professor Tong?
No, Mila. I'm afraid I'm too old to play soccer. I'll watch.
But then we need a fourth player to make even teams. I have an idea. Daddy's car could be our fourth player.
Huh?
Again with all the laughter. Go over there and make those loudly laughing kids play somewhere else. I need to concentrate when I'm mowing the lawn.
Hey, give that back. Hi, Mr. Vanderboos.
Huh? What?
Do you want to come play soccer with us? We need an extra player to make the teams even. Now that the big truck is playing with us.
No! Of course I won't come and play with you. I have work to do. I need to mow the lawn.
I have a solution for that. Now the lawn will be mowed.
And you can come play soccer with us.
You can't always work. Sometimes it's good to take a break and have some fun.
Let's pretend that we're monkeys in the jungle. But we cannot touch the floor. That's where the crocodiles are. You know what would make this game even more fun? If you would morph into a real crocodile. You can't catch me, crocodile.
Mila, Morphle, I have something I want to show you. Ah, a crocodile.
Don't worry, Daddy. It's just Morphle. He's just pretending to be a crocodile.
Oh, well, if it's just pretend, it's okay.
If it's just pretend, it's okay.
But come, there's something I want to show you guys. You see, I got a very special new magic pet. The Papa Jungle. It has the magic powers to create jungles. They say that the Papa Jungle is one of the oldest magic pets and that it created all the jungles of the world. But now I'll get changed. You two can play with Papa Jungle for a bit.
Yay! Hi, Papa Jungle. Do you want to play? We cannot touch the floor because that's where the crocodile is and he's gonna eat us. Wow! Look, Morphle! Now we can play in the real jungle. Whoa! That's awesome! Uh-oh, Morphle, where's the Papa Jungle? We lost him. Let's stop playing the game, Morphle. We have to find the Papa Jungle. Papa Jungle! Look, they're in the bushes. Haha, that's not Papa Jungle. It's a monkey. I think that monkey was scared of you, Morphle. Hi, bird. Hi. The bird was scared of you too. I think they don't know that you're just a pretend crocodile. Yes, Morphle pretend. Morphle no scary. Maybe that's why the Papa Jungle ran away. Look, he's over there. Morphle is not a real crocodile. He's a magic pet, just like you. If it's pretend, it's okay. Uh-oh. The jungle is starting to cause some trouble. Maybe you should return the city back to normal now, Papa Jungle. But if it's just pretend, it's okay. Morphle, morph into a jungle gym.
We'll have to be very careful with this. This is my big box of scary monsters. Oh no! I have to call the police!
Morphle Play Monsters! No, Morphle!
Hello?
Hi! Some of my scary monsters escaped!
I'm on my way.
Morphle wanna play! Morphle and monsters are friends! Morphle, the monsters are scared of you! You're a monster-scaring monster! Morphle scary? The monsters think you're scary, but I don't think so. I think you're a fluffy sweetheart.
It's not okay to scare people, monster.
Morphle! Morphle! Morph back into yourself! Morphle, no real monster!
Huh? Morphle?
The monsters from the Magic Pet store are scaring everyone, but Morphle is not a real monster.
The real monsters! Stop scaring everyone, monsters! Don't scare me like that! Hey, the monsters are scared of Morphle. You're a monster-scaring monster. You don't have to be scared of Morphle. He's a friend of mine, and he's actually quite sweet and fluffy. Here, you can pet him. You see? But it doesn't feel good to be scared. Now does it, monsters? You shouldn't scare other people either.
I think the monsters should help people to not be afraid of scary things.
Yeah, just like I helped you guys to not be scared of Morphle.
I'm scared of the doctor.
The monster is not scared of the doctor. You don't have to be scared either.
I'm too scared to ride a bike. The monster will help you to not be scared. Morphle, I'm scared of the dark. Morphle is scared too. But our new friends will make us feel less scared. Morphle, do you know what I want to be when I grow up? A panda bear. No, silly. I want to be a bus driver. A bus driver. Morphle, morph into a big red bus. Let's go, Morphle. There's the bus stop.
Hello there. To the police station, please.
Yes, sir. Can I please see our ticket?
Oh, hi, Mila. I'm going to my laboratory.
Okay.
This naughty monkey and myself are heading to the zoo.
Sure. I have to go to my auntie the witch. She lives in a little house up on the highest mountain outside the city.
Oh, your aunt is a witch?
Yeah, and I'm a witch too. My auntie sent me a magic wand for my birthday. I'm going to visit her so she can teach me how to use it. The wand never works the way I want it to.
That sounds important. We should bring you to your destination first.
Okay, Mr. Police Officer. Morphle, to the big mountain outside of the city. We're at the mountain, but it's too steep for the bus. That's okay. I will climb up the mountain myself. Great, Morphle! This is where we drop off Zookeeper Kenneth and the monkey.
Hey, what's this? The little witch girl left her magic wand behind.
Uh-oh. We should bring it back to her.
Hey, monkey, don't do that.
Huh? Where are we?
It appears that the magic wand has sent us to the North Pole.
Morphle code.
I want to go back. It's way too cold here.
Send us back to our city, Zookeeper Kenneth.
Okay, magic wand, back to the city.
Wow! Where are we now?
I'm pretty sure this is the Congo rainforest.
Why did you zap us here, Zookeeper Kenneth?
I didn't do it on purpose. The little witch girl was right. This magic wand is difficult to use. I'll try one more time. Magic wand, bring us back home.
should use the magic wand anymore.
We should bring it back to the little witch girl and her aunt as quickly as possible.
Morphle, morph into a flying bus. Now let's fly to the mountaintop where the witch lives. We brought you your magic wand. We tried to use it, but it didn't work the way we wanted it to.
Well, I know how to use it very well. The trick is you need to make your magic spell rhyme. Where do you need to go, ma'am? To my laboratory. Pay close attention, my student. Magic wand, please do something for me. And bring this lady to her laboratory. The next thing I want my little wand to do is to bring these two fellows to the zoo. And this policeman is also in the wrong location. Please, wand, bring him to the police station. Now you try.
Okay. It's getting late, so Magic Wand, please go ahead and bring my new friends to their bed. Morphle! Morph into a dolphin!
There's nothing dolphins love more than playing.
This is our ball now.
That's mean! That ball belongs to the dolphins!
Well, we are pirates, and we love doing mean things.
We have to get the dolphins their ball back. There's nothing dolphins love more than playing. Morphle, get ball back! Yes, let's get the ball back.
Huh? What's this? It says that this bottle will bring us to the treasure of Neptune, king of the sea.
Wow!
Follow me.
Follow it to the treasure, Pirate Phil. We are pirates, and we love treasures.
Wow!
The fish stopped. The treasure must be here.
I am Neptune, king of the sea. If you want my treasure, you must complete my trial. If you can make it to the end of this magical stream of water, I will give you my treasure.
A little higher, Morphle. I almost have it. Woo!
Hello, my little red friend. You have completed my trial. As a reward, I will give you my treasure. When you wear this crown, you can control the sea.
Wow! Wow! Morphle, dolphins love to play, but since we couldn't bring their ball back, they have nothing to play with. It's time for us to go home, dolphins. Problem solved. Bye-bye. Morphle, morph into a dump truck.
Great! Now we can take all these stones with us to the building site. Okay, Morphle, let's go!
Let's go! La 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 la.
We need all these rocks to build houses. Okay, Morphle, drop them here.
Okie dokie.
Using a hammer, we smash the rocks in the right shape to build houses with.
Smash, smash, smash.
And this is where we build the houses. We lay the stones on top of each other and build houses. It's lunchtime.
You really love houses, don't you, Uncle Lawrence?
Yes, I do. Because houses are the most important things in our lives.
What was that? Look! Look!
Something here is eating its way through the houses.
Oh!
What could it be?
Look! Wow! It's a stone-eating monster!
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! You cannot just go around and eat people's houses. Houses are the most important things in our lives, and you cannot just take them away from people.
But Uncle Lawrence, I think we took the monster's house away first.
Huh?
The stone-eating monster came out of Morphle the dump truck. He must have lived in the pile of rocks.
Is that true, Stone Eating Monster? Did we take away your house? Well, that's terrible. We're going to bring your home back to where we found it. Okay, Morphle, let's give the monster his home back.
Yeah. But Uncle Lawrence, now you don't have enough rocks to build houses with.
That's okay, Mila. We'll find rocks somewhere else.
I think he wants to show us something. Follow, follow. I think he means you could use these rocks.
Yeah, with a lot of hard work, I could turn those rocks into houses.
Huh?
He's making new houses.
Wow. That looks amazing, stone-eating monster. Now for the finishing touches.
Wow, Uncle Lawrence and Stone-Eating Monster, these houses are great. We've a lake house.
Yeah, I say we're a great team, stone-eating monster. We should work together from now on.
Ha! Look at those monkeys, Morphle. They're so funny. Morphle, morph into a monkey too. Monkey! Morphle, look!
Hey, Mila. Where's Morphle? It's time to go home. Oh, there you are. Well, let's go, guys.
Hey! Those naughty monkeys are at it again. Go find them, ready? I'm very sorry about that. Here you go, ma'am. You did great, Ruddy. You are the only monkey that is never naughty. You always listen. Look, Ruddy! We forgot one monkey. He's going outside of the zoo by himself. That's very naughty. Go get him, Ruddy. and bring him home safely.
Okay, have fun. See you later.
Look, Morphle! It's another monkey! Oh no! He wants to catch you! Hey! Where are you taking Morphle? Morphle!
Great work, Ruddy. You brought the monkey back home. Okay, Ruddy, you stay here and watch the naughty monkeys. And whatever you do, don't let that little monkey run off again.
Morphle, no monkey! Morphle, magic pet! Morphle, go home! Morphle, Miss Mila!
Ruddy, I thought you were the only monkey that's never naughty. I told you to not let that monkey run off again. You didn't listen to me. I'm very disappointed. Huh? You're not a monkey.
No, it's not a monkey. It's my magic pet Morphle. It just morphed into a monkey.
I'm so sorry, Morphle. I thought you were one of the naughty monkeys. And now I understand why you didn't listen to me, Ruddy. You knew Morphle was not a real monkey, didn't you? You just wanted to bring him home. To Mila. You were not being naughty at all.
Let's go home now, Morphle. Morphle wants to go back monkey house. Morphle play with monkeys.
Ew! The garbage should have been collected today, but the garbage truck didn't show up.
Morphle could become a garbage truck.
Great! So, here's the garbage, Morphle.
Okay, Morphle, let's pick up all the trash.
And don't forget to find out the mystery of why the garbage truck didn't show up.
Okay.
Wow, it's a living garbage truck.
Morphle, wait! That's not garbage. It's a little robot. Hey, why are you with the trash? Because I'm broken. My inventor made me to do important calculations with numbers and stuff. But my screen just shows the wrong things. Wow, that's so special! Morphle like! Son, that's really cool. You're not garbage. Do you want to be our friend? I would love to be your friend. truck, Morphle? No, don't. That garbage can be reused, just like me. There's more old stuff. I could use this to build a doggy. Doggy. I love garbage. Okay, Morphle the garbage truck. Now let's bring all the garbage to the garbage dump. This is the garbage dump. The gate is closed. We can't go in. Where is the garbage man? Garbage man, where are you? It's a mystery.
Bark, bark.
Hey, the robot doggy smells something. I think the robot doggy has found the trace of the garbage man. Let's follow it. Look, that's the garbage man. Hey, garbage man, why are you here? Why are you not picking up the garbage?
I don't want to be a garbage man anymore, so I got myself a new job. Here, at the flower store. Flowers smell so good. Much better than garbage. Yuck. I really don't like garbage.
You don't? I love garbage. Robot new garbage man! I could build so many cool things out of all this garbage. I'll get started right away. Wow! That's a beautiful house! We'll have lots of fun living here, won't we, Doggy?
Bark, bark, bark.
It's time for us to go home now. Bye! Bye-bye! Bye!
Oh no! A flat tire!
Morphle! Morph into a tow truck!
Great! Okay, Morphle, to the garage. Hello there! We have a flat tire!
Whoa! It's a living tow truck. That's amazing!
It's called Morphle.
If I could use your living tow truck for the day, I'll fix your tire for free. The first client we need to help is the ice cream man. His ice cream truck broke down. Okay, hook him up, Morphle. I'll have his ice cream truck fixed in no time.
Thank you, Morphle the tow truck. Here, have some ice cream.
Ice cream!
The next tow job is going to be a little bit more challenging.
Wow! That truck is so big! Morphle! Morph into a giant tow truck!
Well, have I ever. Okay, Morphle, bring this truck back to the garage. Wait, Morphle, I forgot to close the truck properly.
Morphle, wait! La 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 la. Oh no! Look! It's the ice cream truck! Morphle loves ice cream.
Ice Cream Man, we need your help.
If Morphle sees the ice cream truck, he will stop for sure. Ice cream! Morphle, bring back ice! Morphle, bring back ice!
Here you go, Morphle. For every car you bring back, I'll buy you an ice cream.
Morphle! Morph into a helicopter!
Okay, Morphle, we are moving with all our animals from this old zoo to our brand new zoo, all the way across town.
Okie dokie, Zookeeper Kenneth.
I will bring all of these animals if you bring the biggest of all. The blue whale. But even though they're big, they're not scary. All they eat is plankton. And they love plankton. Oh, and there's one more thing. You have to be very careful of the animal thief. The animal thief loves stealing animals.
Okay, we will be very careful. The new zoo is just across this bridge. Oh no! Look, Morphle! It's the animal thief! And she has plankton!
Whoa!
Oh no! The edible thief is getting away!
We will bring you to the other side, officer.
You've been very bad, animal thief! You cannot just go around and steal animals! You are going to jail!
Now let's bring the animals to the new zoo. Let's go, Morphle! You did great, Morphle! All the animals made it to the new zoo.